Welcome to Masterspec's on-demand training. Today, we will learn how to manage your Masterspec practice account, including staff, Office Masters, Contract Appendix, and mDocs. Let's get started by managing your staff. Once logged in, you will arrive at your dashboard. Locate My Details on the top navigation panel and select Manage Staff. In the first tab, Staff Listing, you will see an overview of your staff and the accounts created. Simply select Delete if the account is no longer required. The next tab, Configure Access, allows you to add specific email domains, email addresses, or restricted access to an individual's email. The final tab, Assign Roles, allows you to do just this. Simply use the drop-down to select the individual, and then select Add to give them administrator access, creating Office Masters, accessing Master Key, or managing the appendix. Office Masters are a great way to save your practice time when specifying. If you create an Office Master, it means you can set up an entire specification or just one section. The Office Master functionality allows you or your senior staff to refine our Masterspec maintained section templates into your practice's own customized version. This new content can then be used by any specifier as the baseline for any future work section, but with your own practice-specific content. A word of warning before you begin though, be careful to maintain the specification section for tab format and its original CBI number. This will ensure that we can continue to maintain the section for you by mapped changes to the content when information such as codes and standards change. Of course, your team will need to ensure that the content downloaded from any practice Office Master is relevant to their project, and that if required, it is altered to meet the new project-specific conditions. To create or manage the Office Masters, simply find Projects on the top navigation panel, and then select either Manage or Create an Office Master. Fill in the details of the Office Master so the practice user can identify the use and the master section content. Next, simply use the Masterspec workspace to add work sections and make changes using the Q&A and editing tools. As your Office Master saves, it will be accessible to anyone in your practice. When managing the Office Master, it is important to keep the content up to date at all times. Inside of each Office Master, you will be notified if there are any available updates done by Masterspec to the work section. If there are any changes, it is important to run the Update Manager over the sections. You can do this by selecting Edit Content and then locating the Change section on the left-hand side index panel. You will notice the orange icon advising that there has been a change. From here, use the Update Manager to update the Office Master. When creating a new Office Master, you will start blank or clone from an existing specification document. Enter in the title, description, and intended usage, and then select Add. Simply select single or multiple work sections and your Office Master will save automatically as you work. Now let's look at managing your practice support content. The Contract Appendix library holds documents that your practice has uploaded during the specification writing process. These documents relate to fire and engineer reports. As an Office administrator, you will be managing these documents. You can do this by editing, downloading, and withdrawing any documents uploaded to your Office library. It also allows you to view all documents uploaded as a one-off document or any specification within your practice. Managing mDocs has similar functionality. Feel free to use the search functionality to find specific documents related to the branded work sections within your specifications. You can also withdraw documents uploaded to your organization and review any documents used in the practice specifications.